Hello everyone, my name is Kenny Chang, Vice President of the Product and the Marketing Division at ASRock Industrial. ASRock Industrial is a global leader in industry computing, specialized in providing innovative and reliable embedded solutions for wide range of industry applications. It's an honor to be part of this esteemed gallery. Even though I am not able to join you live today due to time difference, I'm truly grateful to FIDO Alliance for giving me the opportunity to share my insights and contribute to the exciting event from afar. Now, let's dive into the agenda. The agenda for me will be IIoT growth calls for FDO, ASRock Industry FDO enable industry PC solution, FDO solution in industry application, and finally, the FDO use case we would like to share with you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, the industry IoT market size is expected to reach $137.5 billion by 2030 globally. However, the deployments of a huge number of IIoT devices across different sites pose significant challenges. This including high cost and the time-consuming nature of sending engineers to the field for installation. Moreover, this approach is not secure, and the current onboarding process are often proprietary and lack standardization. To address these challenges, ASRock Industrial is providing innovative, secure, and reliable embedded solution for industry IoT by leveraging our in-depth know-how and end-to-end capability in FDO technology. This including everything from building manufacturing, rendezvous, and owner server through DI, TO0, TO1, and the TO2 process. Our FDO-enabled robust Edge IoT platform addresses all the aforementioned challenges and brings significant benefits such as zero-touch onboarding, right after the power on, fast and secure deployments with lower onboarding cost, and hardware flexibility with various approaches. The late binding of devices to the cloud greatly reduces the number of SKUs. This page is showing that some of our FDO-enabled robust Edge IoT platform, especially the IEP 5000G series, have acquired FDO certification, which means we are qualified by the FDO Alliance, ensuring that all meets interoperability and security requirements. Additionally, numerous industry applications are involved, such as factory automation, smart factory patrolling, EV charging station, water agency, and process automation. Speaking of process automation, we are truly honored to participate in the prestigious S-Mobile Lighthouse program as a dedicated DCM provider. This partnership represents a significant step in advanced open and security solution. Additionally, it's proud to integrate FDO technology, enhance the efficiency of remote onboarding and provisioning. Other than this, AI security systems help businesses save costs by reducing the dependency on on-site security personnel. With real-time analysis and monitoring, AI security solution can accurately detect and alert authority when necessary, reducing the needs for constant human monitoring and thus saving costs. Here, I also like to share some use cases by how we leveraging the FDO technology with you. So the first use case I would like to share is how we leverage FDO technology on EV charging station. So ASRock Industrial Advanced FDO-enabled devices, IEP 720E, when deployed in every single EV charger, leverage FDO technology to seamlessly locate its owner and automatically onboard to the OS and AI application deployments. With its integration 360-degree camera, the IEP720E enables intelligent patrolling and object detection, dramatically improve safety, reducing machine downtime, and cut down the cost associated with manual monitoring and patrolling. So the second use case I would like to share is how we leverage FDO technology on the water agency, patrolling, monitoring, and management. So this case regarding ASRock Industrial FDO-enabled devices, IEP720E, combined with video polytron 360-degree cameras, enhance the water agency AI autonomous virtual patrol system. This FDO-driven solution enables secure, automated onboarding for surveillance systems across water facilities. By integrating seamlessly with video AI agents, it facilitates real-time anomaly detection and remote monitoring without manual input, establishing a scalable and secure autonomous virtual patrol systems. And the final use case I would like to share is how we leverage FDO technology for the smart factory patrolling system. So the smart factory patrolling with AI object detection in factory ensure employee safety, reduce machine downtime, and minimize labor cost for patrolling. ASRock Industrial IEP720E FDO-enabled devices utilize FDO for automatic onboarding and deployments in factory. When connected with 360-degree camera, the IEP720E enables smart factory patrolling and AI object detection on site. The AI inference results are displayed at the owner's site for remote management. Thank you for taking time to listen to my presentation. Although I will not be there in person with you, I'm excited to hear any feedback or any question you may have. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We would love to continue the discussion and wishing you a successful and productive event. Thank you.